Okay, I'm in the little town of Zirch, which is, well, where the train just dropped me off from Veszprém. And to here it is basically a pretty slow train ride of about half an hour. And what do we have in this town? There's an abbey, let's say, with a big church, monastery, some good restaurants. Just going to explore. And the rail infrastructure in Hungary is pretty decent, although the, let's say, lesser popular lines still need a lot of maintenance. That will come in the coming years, I suppose. We can see that people do rely more on cars, where cars have been modernized in the meantime. So in this town there's an abbey, let's say, a large monastic complex where part of it is a big library, as well as a botanical garden where I'm right now. And in about half an hour I'll do the library tour, and that must be quite interesting as well. An old-fashioned wooden library. And here's the garden of the complex. I was wrong for saying it's a botanical garden. It's a collection of trees. What's it called? An arboretum or something, from arbor being tree. So it's a tree garden essentially. Nonetheless, very very nice to have a walk in any season, I suppose. Then I'll do the guided tour of the library and move on. Hungary is just a beautiful and peaceful country. Quite enjoying my explorations here, because I've been here several times now, but there's actually, once you find out how big the country actually is, several times the size of the Netherlands. There's an endless amount of cities and towns to explore with just zero tourism. So essentially, out of summer, you're the only person in the whole country, it seems. Strange. Look at this view, it's just... oh, so much to take in this week. Europe is just incredible.
Rajta egy énekes könyv 1696-ból, fattáblás, bővkötésű és bronzverekek díszítik. A mellette lévő óra Párizsban készült az 1700-as évek első felében.
Now that was a short but rather interesting visit to this complex here, where I never thought I'd ever end up. Nice and improvised. Let's move on to the next place. Cheers. I have arrived in the city of Papa. Yes, really, that's what it's called, Papa. And that's how it's written as well. Here in Hungary, and... oh, the light is a bit acting strangely on the camera. It's better. Here's my room. It has 2 single beds. This costs 39 euros for a single person use. There's no breakfast offered, I believe. So it's a sports center right here that's subsidized by the EU for a couple of billion forints. And if you're, let's say, a entrepreneurial type of guy, you can use these funds and build a complex of your own, such as these people have done right here. And then you can even include a sort of hotel in the sport complex, as long as you use your funds correctly. So the town has actually some pretty cool stuff to check out right here. It is a bit sleepy and provincial, but that's actually charming to me. Also, the season is over, I suppose. In summer it's nice and touristy. But look at this cute little town called Papa. Let's check it out. Alright, time for dinner. That looks delicious. Stuffed chicken breast with apple and cheese. Sweet potatoes, cucumber salad with sour cream, nice beer. Great. This is a baked banana, in case you were wondering, for dessert. Nice.